Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the latest tips and tricks to personalize your browsing experience. Today, we'll show you how to customize fonts in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, locate the More button at the top right corner of your Chrome browser and click on it. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the browser's settings page. Step 3. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click on Appearance to explore appearance-related options. Step 4. Within the Appearance section, find and click on Customize Fonts. Step 5. Here, you can customize the fonts used for various elements in Chrome, such as the default font, fixed-width font, and serif sans-serif fonts. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize the fonts in Chrome on your PC, giving your browsing experience a personal touch. Experiment with different fonts to find the one that suits your style and preference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.